Hello my friend, and welcome to another drawing segment with the Rouser. I'm going to show you how to draw a caricature of Jamal Murray. So let's start with our cheekbone shapes and add our ear shapes. Remember to put them at the right width apart from each other. Now let's draw our beard shape. Remember to put this in 3 sections, and then once you have the 3 sections, you just simply connect them together. And this way, you'll be sure that you don't draw the beard too long. Now let's do our forehead. Let's start with an overall inside shape of the head. And then once we complete that, we'll go ahead and we'll just draw our outside shape, again, using that 3-phase technique, right? You want to play connect the dots. The Rouser recommends that you know how to play connect the dots. It'll help you caricature drawing. Now we're going to do the edge ups, and we're going to do the sides of the hair, and then we will proceed to the eyebrows. Be sure that the energy of your eyebrows flows off of the cheekbone. This is very important so that you will have a rhythm to the features in your face. Now let's add the nose shape. Mr. Murray does have a very distinct nose shape, so we want to make sure that we capture that shape correctly. Now we're going to draw the eyes using a half tree leaf shape. If you haven't seen my videos on tree leaves, you need to go ahead and check that out. We'll add the underside of the eye, the pupils, and then we will finish off the nose. Now we're going to draw the mouth shape. So I'm going to establish the distance between the nose and the mouth shape, and I'm going to add my whole top lip basically and the small lines. From there, I'm going to go into my pie shape. If you haven't seen my pie shape video, that is a shape that I use standardly for most of my mouth shapes. I'll add my bottom shape here, add my top lip, and then from here I'll add my mustache shape. And I'll go ahead and I'm going to shape off the beard shape. To do this, I always focus intently on the darkness of the beard to form that shape as accurately as I possibly can. Let's darken our eyebrow shapes, add our cheek lines. We're going to add one more line, and then we'll add our teeth line here. Light lines on those teeth, okay? No heavy lines, and don't put lines in between your teeth. No, it doesn't help the drawing. Now let's add our shoulders. So we're just going to add his jersey and stuff here, and we'll be doing some more videos on bodies here soon, so you guys can see that head to neck relationship is something very important that you need to know. Now let's shade in our eyes. I always add shading to my eyes because it really improves the look of the picture, the feel of it. It gives it some depth, it gives it dimension, and the cool part about this is that it does it without having to add extra lines to the picture. The more liney you make your picture, the less it's going to look like a cartoon, the more it's going to look like a portrait, and the more frustrated it's going to make you. So I would advise that you learn how to use these shades. For right now, just use the ones that I'm doing as kind of like training wheels, and you'll be fine. So now we are finishing up our shading here. Now we go to the part I love the most, which is putting in the dark. So now all we're doing is focusing on the darks of the picture. You don't have to draw an exact pattern of the hair and all that. You can see here that I'm just pretty much using this squiggly line. My coloring technique is pretty much to leave lines along the outside of the edge of whatever I'm coloring, and then except for around the hairline. So just kind of pay attention to how I do it. Again, there's nothing really fancy about what I'm doing. It just looks like it's hard, but it's not. Just remember, golden rule of coloring: follow the same pattern all the way throughout the coloring scheme, and your coloring will look just fine. Now, because I'm using a Crayola marker, these are water-based markers right here, so you may have to go over it like, twice or something. But what I'm going to do probably with this one is cheat. When I reveal it, I just turn the contrast up a little bit. And now finishing touches, which is something that a lot of artists mess up with. They put this kind of stuff first in the picture instead of doing it last. So think of big shapes first, and then the minute things go last. Remember to put these little things last here. I'm just finishing up my brow shape here. I think we're pretty much home free. And all of my finishing details just kind of come at this point. Now, finally, let's just go ahead and we will add some darks to the eyes. And some finishing touches around the nose shape. And then I'm going to finish off with the name of the person that I'm drawing. We'll just put Jamal Murray here. We're now going to color in our jersey, just a little bit of black, or color if you want to use color. And then we're going to put buzzer beater, because oh my goodness, did you see that shot? Heartbreaking. Anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe.
Hello there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, you did? Well then, you see that subscribe button below? Push it. And after, push the bell icon next to it and select the all option. Then you will get notifications of all new uploaded videos and when I go live. Oh yeah. So thanks for watching and subscribing, and check out these other videos for more cool stuff. Have a great day and happy penciling.